It's a beautiful day to buy a travel trailer, camper, or motor coach. I'm JRV at Camping World in Buford under the great big American flag right off of 85 in Buford. Come see me today to get your new RV. Sure and ask for me, JRV, because now you have a friend in the RV business. You are looking at a custom, aka used 2022 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2516S. It's got 2 slides, sleeps 2. It's a great couples camper. Weighs 6,049 pounds and it is 25 feet 11 inches. So you can park this thing about anywhere. It's got a nice long power awning about the length of the entire rig. Outdoor speakers. Outdoor mount for your outdoor TV. It's got some nice off-road tires. As you enter the unit, it's a front kitchen, plenty of counter space, microwave, 3-burner stove, decent sized refrigerator. Got some recliners here, cabinet storage in the kitchen. Recliners are directly across from the fireplace, the entertainment system, and the television. Go through the bathroom. Nice size shower, good size bathroom. Plenty of room on the toilet for business mode. Good size back bedroom. TV's already installed. A lot of storage here. This does have a hang-up closet area, some drawers. It does have a separate entrance to go directly into the back bedroom, and it is solar. It's a great unit, perfect little unit for couples. We need some happy campers. Come get this one before it's gone. It won't be here long.